The Eye of Horus is one of the most popular and widely used Egyptian symbols. This article provides a brief overview about the meaning of this symbol. The ancient Egyptian symbols are intricately associated with the art and religion of that period. These symbols were depicted on almost everything, like artifacts, amulets and jewelry. Even today, these symbols are used extensively in various forms, particularly as amulets. One of the most popular among the ancient Egyptian symbols is the Eye of Horus, which is otherwise known as the Eye of Ra or Wedjot. What is the Eye of Horus? This symbol is depicted as a human eye and eyebrow, with the cheek marking of the falcon. It represents the eye of the ancient Egyptian sky god, Horus, who was depicted as a falcon. The Egyptian Eye of Horus symbol can either be the left eye or the right eye of the god. You may also come across the symbol that depicts both eyes. According to Egyptian mythology, the right eye represents the sun and the left eye represents the moon. The Egyptian Eye of Horus symbolizes protection and resurrection. It is believed to confer wisdom, health, safety, and prosperity to the bearer. The Eye of Horus symbol was very widely used in ancient Egypt. Even their funeral rites involved this symbol, which was placed, along with the wrappings of mummies. They were placed on those parts where the internal organs of the dead were removed. Such organ removal was considered as a bad luck for the dead ones in their afterlife. And so, these symbols were placed to ward off evil and for their rebirth. Egyptian mythology. This symbol is associated with the falcon-faced Egyptian god Horus. As per the Egyptian mythology, Horus, who was the son of Osiris and Isis, was considered the sun god. The right eye of Horus was white, and represented the sun, and the left eye was black, and represented the moon. Horus lost his left eye to his evil brother Seth, during a fight to avenge the death of his father. Even though Seth lost the fight, Horus lost his left eye. The left eye of Horus was torn into pieces by Seth, but was later found by Thoth, who was the god of magic and wisdom. It was Thoth who reassembled the torn pieces of the left eye and presented it to Horus, who used it for the rebirth of his father. Hence, the Eye of Horus became a symbol of protection and healing. Eye of Horus and measurement. The symbol was also used as a notation of measurement, especially for measuring medicines. The symbol was divided into 6 parts, denoting the action of Seth, who torn out the Eye of Horus in pieces. Each piece was assigned with a fraction and a particular taste, any one of the 6 senses. When added, the fractions totaled to 63/64 and not 1. It is believed that the left-out fraction, which equals to 1/64, denotes the magic of Thoth, who reassembled the eye. It is also said that one piece of the eye was missing. In short, this ancient Egyptian symbol represents the eye of the god Horus, and is believed to have healing powers. Even today, this symbol is used as amulets, lucky charms and tattoos.